Outside Bullish Dream, refreshing in Rosig, is still in behind them. Last 400 meters, we have Gold and Diamond. Mr. G is down on the inside as they come out towards the final corner. Two entries now, Padura for the lead. Gold and Diamond is on the outside. Mr. G is running by the way. We have about 150 meters more to run. We have Mr. G, Gold and Diamond in second. Mr. G, Gold and Diamond, Iron Hand, and finally it's Mr. G. Then comes Gold and Diamond. Iron Hand close between Refreshing and Shifty.
And that was the instant replay of race number 2. As you see in your screens, the beautiful Casino Filipino San Lazaro na nag-celebrate ng first anniversary kamakailan lang.
At ang ating quarters, 19, 25 and a half, 24 and a half, finishing at 27 and a half. Total time is 136.8 at meron tayong photo for 4. Photo finish po tayo for 4th placer between number 5 Refreshing and number 1 Shifty. 8, 10, 9, clear natin yung first 3 finishers natin. Clear po tayo dyan, 8, 10, 9. Okay? At maya-maya makikita natin kung ilan po ang yan. Ayan, ito muna. Different angle ng ating ISOCAM. This point, lamang na yung GC, no? Naunahan na nga, ni Golden Diamond. Actually, si Mr. G. Alagay ko, yung pagkakadikit niya rito nag-cause dahil sumama pa uli si Mr. G. Na matabihan niya. Both riders under the heavy whip. Yun.
Maganda rin tinakbo ng bumuhin mo.
Oo. Ayun lang sa dalawa nila.
Oo.
Yes.
And it was a photo, as you heard from partner Ivan.